días. ¿Despiertos?
As you know, the Adelante Young Men's Conference focuses on college and career preparation. For young men like yourselves, these are long-term issues that require both a vision and persistence.
Now that I have this bit of information, now that I have this person who wants to help me, now that an opportunity has been presented to me of how to make more of my life and do more with my life, will I choose to take it or not?
Queremos lo mejor para nuestros hijos y queremos que vayan a la universidad o al colegio, que se gradúen, que tengan una carrera, tengan un mejor futuro y que tengan éxito en la vida, ¿no?
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Good.
Is this the first time here?
Durante esta etapa crítica, los adolescentes experimentan muchos cambios físicos, sociales, emocionales y psicológicos.
Y se hace difícil también porque si eres uno de esos padres que nunca fuiste al colegio o tenías que sacrificar porque tenías una familia, no sabes qué decir a tus hijos tampoco. También así es mi familia porque mi papá, yo todo el tiempo con mi papá, yo tenía que platicar sobre todas las diferentes cosas. Y con la ayuda financiera, ninguno de los dos sabíamos qué hacer, entonces los dos teníamos que trabajar juntos para ver, ok, ¿qué tenemos que definir? ¿Qué significa esta palabra? ¿Qué tenemos que hacer con todas estas cosas?
You have to be willing to learn and be willing also to try new things.
It was cool because we got to see all the arteries and everything. You know, we got to like cut the heart, and it was weird a little bit, but I liked it.
Yeah.
It was cool after a while. We learned a lot of stuff.
I felt that there was these barriers that a lot of people in my community had, and so for me, it was really something that it was an opportunity for me to give back and give back in an effective way. So I'm not saying that I'm going to fix all these problems because they're really a lot of courses that are beyond our reach, but what I can do is I can be there with my patients, I can be there with my community.
That picture is important because if you notice, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm staring at the ground because at that time, I'm starting to visualize, what am I going to do with my life? Everything up to that age, up to that point that I had been through, had seen a lot, experienced a lot, lost family members to the prison system. Friends were getting buried at a young age. I realized I was living a difficult life and it was not nice. I realized that I didn't want that.
When we grow up, we get these messages, like I said, to suppress what you feel, to don't feel that way, to get up and brush it off. As we do that, we also are unable to see where we're at, right?
As Latinos, you know, we have all these traditions and we have all these things that we think about, you know, like who here, there's mom or dad speaks Spanish, or in the family, right? All of us. But every time we get home, 4 to 6, la tarea. And I say that because it's something that I really like that we did as little kids. You know, my friends, they didn't have that. And now when I think about what did I do to do well, it was always la tarea.
She was a psych professor at Dominican University. She conducted a study, and she concluded in her study that 42% people are more likely to achieve their goals simply by writing it out.
My parents didn't pass 6th grade, but they always wanted to live the American dream, so that's why they came to the US. But I had a lot of people in my life to really push me through, and so I was able to graduate from San Diego State in the year 2000 with an advertising and communications degree and minored in marketing.
I
was able to find the career of my choice because of this conference. I was given a taste of the day-to-day work of an engineer, and after hearing all the information, I was convinced that was what I wanted to be.
Yes, you're already interested because you're here. You could be sleeping in, you could be watching TV, but you made it a point to be here because you know there's something to learn, something to get out of today and to take away from today. So maybe it's for you, maybe it's for your friends, or maybe your brothers and sisters. Challenge them. If they will take the most of the opportunities that you're all being presented for your own sake, do it for your parents. Because I know you love them. And I know that you know that they work hard for you. And I know a lot of them are here with you. So once again, young men and women, let's give your parents, your tios, your tias, your padrinos, your teachers,